What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Thanks for clicking on the channel. We got one of four. Here's a 4-part video. I didn't want to throw a whole half-hour video up there because not many people like watching that, but I will be putting it up there so that if you want to watch the whole ride day, you can watch the whole half-hour video of everybody getting their laps in and all that fun stuff. You get to see all the bobbles in one full video. But until that gets put up, we're going to be doing a 1, 2, 3, 4-part video and breaking it down so you guys get about 7 to 10 minutes of ride time. Watching these guys go around, do their laps. We're adjusting suspension, trying to dial the bikes in so that these guys can get faster lap times and be a little bit more comfortable on their quads. Tony's quite experienced on the track. I mean, this is pretty much his home practice track. The other two guys don't have a lot of track time, a lot of track experience, so they're just getting used to it. Oop, a little bit of a bobble there. Whip that butt end around and throw some sand. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead, check out the rest of the channel. We got races and rides and all kinds of different build videos on the page. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on build videos, ride videos, and any other kind of funny things we got going on in the shop. If you like these kind of videos and stuff like that, throw a comment down there. Tell me what you're riding. If you do ride, tell me what you want to get. If you got any questions about how to set stuff up or how to build things, shoot me a question. We'll try and get them answered. And enjoy the rest of these videos. Don't forget, these guys do bobble some, so watch the whole thing because you don't want to miss it.
That would be a better line. Making that burn back after the jump.